Alright, Chad, starting the video a little bit late today. We're at the biggest Gothic castle in the world or something like that. It's called, I don't know, Catedral de Sevilla or something like that. And this part right here is called La Giralda, which is the biggest tower in the city besides one building. It's very pretty. Look at how big that wall is, dude. How do they even build something like this? I don't know when this was built. I'm assuming like the 1500s. Like, what? They didn't have computers. Look at how detailed the front is. What? That's the top of La Giralda, or however you say it. I'm very white. In culture, at least. This courtyard is old enough that there's like holes in the floor for the irrigation of the orange trees. It's just a big rectangle. I'm at the river now. Look at this guard tower. That building right there is the only building in Seville taller than that church I was showing you earlier. And apparently it was a big problem with the people. But it was built anyways. So, now it's here, and it's lit. Walking back now. Might need to pick up jogging. There's a lot of pretty women jogging right now. I honestly think that I could run a marathon in less than 5 hours. I don't know if that's impressive or not, but without training, I think I could do it. I might have to make a video on that just to prove I can. Just sitting on a bench by the river. It's a really nice day. I saw one of my roommates running. You don't care. I have to go because the laundromat is going to close in 2 hours, and it takes an hour to wash and dry. And I'm about 30 minutes walking. I wanted to walk through a garden, but I think there's still time. I just got to get off my butt. Let's go walk through that garden. It's more like a park than a garden. It's a cool tree. I don't know what this is. Looks lit though. There's a bunch of parrots in these trees. Let's see if I can. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Look at that little guy. My camera's so good. There's this little guy in there. Oh, he's gone. I'm walking back now because I only have about 30 minutes. There's a cool house. And this cool roundabout. And there's police on horses. It's lit. Way to laundromat. Got all my clothes in my backpack, so I don't look like a retard. It's gonna be lit. Let's go. First laundromat was super busy. We're heading to the second one. Surely it won't be bad 2 times in a row. All done with the laundry. It only took an hour and 20 minutes on the way back to my house now. Let's go.